Using a hairspray to finish your look will set your curls in place. This is our Flawless Finish Hairspray and it's available in flexible hold and strong hold. It's full of curl-loving ingredients and leaves out alcohols and silicones, which means that you won't experience crispy curls. I'm going to use a strong hold Flawless Finish Hairspray to really set this updo in place. It smooths the flyaways, give you 24 hours hold and protect your hair from humidity. Before I use it, I'm going to give the can a good shake and hold it a distance from the hair before spraying. I've used the Flawless Finish Strong Hold Hairspray today because I've done an updo, so I really wanted to lock that style in place. Today we've done a simple half up, half down, just with a braid as a headband going around the hair, just to give it that little bit of detail, because we still wanted to enjoy all of this lovely wave coming through the lengths and ends. So I'm just going to finish with the flexible Flawless Finish. I used the flexible hold Flawless Finish today because the majority of our waves are still down, so we still wanted that flexible movement. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.